Are you looking for a community of men to help you in your fight to overcome your pornography addiction? If so, then join us inside the brand new, exclusive, and free Rebuilt Man School community. Guys, for months now, I've been looking for a platform. I've been looking for a place where we could gather together, where we can talk about our struggles, where we can provide you with the tools, resources, support, and accountability to conquer this addiction. Facebook doesn't have the platform for us. But when I stumbled across school, I was so excited because it brings together community, classrooms, calendars, education, gamification, ways that you could level up and grow and become a leader within the community. And that's why I'm so excited to be partnering with them here today and to be bringing to you the #1 community in the world for free to help men that are struggling with pornography addiction become better men by quitting porn and rebuilding their lives. So join us at school.com/the rebuilt man. And inside of the community, you're going to get access to myself on a daily basis. I've never been available to connect with, to learn from for free. Now you can have direct access to me inside of the community on a day-to-day basis. And we'll be hosting live trainings 2 times per month. When we'll be bringing you some of the lessons learned from 5 years of walking in absolute freedom. Many of the things that we gather from our incredible network on the Superhuman Life podcast. But we're going to be giving you weekly, bi-weekly trainings. We're going to give you a free 12-step training inside of the community. The top 50 books for men struggling with pornography addiction. Access to the Frank Rich Fitness Library, my lifetime's work in the fitness community, all available to you. We have additional expert trainings that will be available as you unlock levels within the group. You're going to be able to connect with and speak with and learn from and get accountability and support from men all across the globe. School.com/the rebuilt man, the #1 community in the world for free to help men become better men by quitting porn and rebuilding their lives. If you're struggling, you know that your problem is due to isolation. If you're struggling, you probably aren't talking about this behavior and this addiction in the way that it needs to be discussed. If you're alone and isolated and you seek out pornography for connection and intimacy, this is the place for you, a global community of like-minded men all looking to become better. Gentlemen, join us at school.com, SKOOL.com/the rebuilt man. So excited and grateful for every single one of you tuning in to these weekly episodes, but I'm looking forward to connecting with you inside the community. It takes 5 seconds to set up an account. Click the link down there below. Visit school.com, SKOOL.com/the rebuilt man to join us today. But we love you guys. We'll see you on the inside.